Video 9. Combining market profile with order flow. Hello, and welcome back to our educational series on market profile. If you're joining us for the first time, I highly recommend watching our previous videos to gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject. The series link is in the description of this video. In case you missed our last video where we explored using market profile for trade setups and strategy building, you can catch the link in the description. In this 9th video, we're going to delve into how we can combine market profile with order flow. After understanding the principles of price, time, volume, value area, point of control, initial balance, different types of market profile days, and basic trade setups, it's time to take a step further. We're going to consider order flow, which offers a more granular, real-time view of the market and is often regarded as a higher level to market profile. Order flow trading is a method that attempts to anticipate price movement based on the current orders that are visible on both the buy and sell side. How many orders are placed, and the type of orders, can provide insight into the market's sentiment and, from there, predict which direction the price will likely move. Order flow takes us inside the candle to give an X-ray view of the market. It provides traders with a detailed and real-time view of the buying and selling pressure in the market. This analysis can help determine where and when institutional traders are likely to place trades and thus where significant volumes of orders may exist. So, how can we combine market profile and order flow? Confirming breakouts. When price breaks out of the value area, traders can look at the order flow to see if there is significant volume backing the breakout. A high-volume breakout can increase the confidence of a successful trade. Identifying reversals. If the price is at a high-volume node, haven, and the order flow starts to show selling pressure, it may indicate a potential reversal. Interpreting imbalances. Order flow allows traders to see real-time imbalances between buyers and sellers. When aligned with market profile concepts like value area and point of control, it can provide powerful insights into the market's probable direction. By combining market profile with order flow, traders can get a holistic and detailed view of the market, helping them make more informed trading decisions. That concludes our video on combining market profile with order flow. In our next and final video, we'll talk about common mistakes to avoid when using market profile and wrap up our series. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more insights. Until then, happy trading.